Hi everybody, I hope you're doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of offers on the application of Rapid TV. We click on settings. In this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we click on Rapid TV. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.